Welcome to Tech Blooms. In this video I'll be doing DAC, that is digital to analog converter, voltage switch DAC. Why I'm saying is voltage switch DAC is that the output which will be going to found is in terms of the input voltage. Okay, V0 will be in terms of input voltage. So there are two methods to use a DAC, here digital to analog converter. Now you have one method R to R ladder, register ladder design, and second is binary weighted register. In this video we'll be do a basic R to R ladder design for n bit. For an n bit, this is a basic circuit diagram. You have an inverting amplifier with the feedback resistor and you have the input resistor Ri. So this is an inverting amplifier and this is your ladder circuit with R to R resistors. Now you have the A1 till AN, so n bit values. A1 being the MSB bit and AN being the LSB bit. Okay, so this is a basic circuit diagram. Okay, now we'll go here. Before going to the solving any problem, we need to know one formula regarding inverting amplifier, that is gain of an inverting amplifier is given by V0 upon Vi, right? Output voltage upon input voltage, which is equal to minus Rf upon R1 in this case, in case of inverting amplifier. So we need to know that V0 from here will be minus Rf upon Ri into Vi. So this is the main formula which you need to remember throughout, so that we can solve the problem. Now here we'll solve a problem for 3-bit value, that is example is 100 is a 3-bit value, and from here your MSB will be 1, A2 will be this, A3 will be this. For that we'll draw I have already drawn the R2R ladder circuit. Now this is an inverting amplifier, okay, and you have here R2R ladder, R2R 2R. For this you will be connecting one value. Here you need to have A1, right? You need to connect A1 here, A2, A3. It's a 3-bit value, so n is 3, so AN. Now A1, what is AN? 1. Okay, so by 1 I have put minus VR, VR meaning high value. But why I have put minus VR? Since I have been given a negative VR. So suppose if this A1 was 0, it would have been connected to ground, right? If it is 1, then it will be connected to A1. Okay, similarly here A2, if it was ground, if it was 0, it will be connected to ground, else it would be connected to 1, high voltage. So here since I have given a negative voltage, minus VR, I have taken in this case minus VR. Okay, so further here A2 is 0, so it is grounded, A3 is also 0. So this is a basic ladder circuit, so we shall solve it now further. Now we shall come from this end. Okay, now here you see this 2R and this 2R resistors are parallel, so 2R are in parallel, so you will have parallel combination, 2R parallel to R, you will get value R. So your next diagram will consist of reduction of this segment to R. Okay, see, you have R and R. Here you have this R, that R has been come, this part has been reduced to R. So now these are again series, so it will be 2R. Okay, R plus R 2R. So R plus R 2R, I have written 2R and 2R. Now again these 2 are in parallel, so they will be again connected, converted, and you will get again R, which is again series with this R. So it will be R plus R 2R, and you have this 2R. So the final diagram will look like this. Now here you have a minus VR voltage given to this resistor as an input. So what I will do is that I will use a Thevenin's theorem to this network, Thevenize this network. For that we need to have Thevenin's equivalent voltage. So what will be Thevenin's equivalent voltage? The input voltage VR into the opposite resistance 2R upon the sum of the resistance, that is 2R plus 2R, will give you minus VR by 2. That's your Thevenin's voltage. Then you need to have a Thevenin's equivalent resistance. So what is equivalent resistance? 2R parallel to R, which is equal to R. So you write your Thevenin circuit, that is VTH is minus VR by 2 and R 2R given to the input of the op-amp. Now this R and this 2R are in series, so the combination will be minus VR given to 3R and input resistance will be 3R now. So now you can apply your inverting formula. So what will be V out? V out will be minus RF. What is RF? 3R. What is RI? 3R. So 3R will get cancelled into Vin minus VR upon 2. So what is the output? Minus will get cancelled, will get output as VR by 2. Now this VR is the reference voltage which you had initially applied. Okay, now in order to check whether your answer is correct from the solving from the diagram, you have a predefined formula. Now this is for a 3-bit binary number. If a 3-bit binary number you are converting into this, then this is a number, this is a formula. V0 is equal to A1, A2, A3, A1 by 2, A2 by 4, A3 by 8. Now for example, now our value was 1 0 0, A1, A2, A3. So A1 is 1, so I'll put here 1, and these are 2 zeros. So what I got? VR by 2. So V0 is VR by 2. So you got as V out is VR by 2. So the 3-bit value has been converted into voltage, analog voltage. Okay, that's it. Thank you for this video, watching my video.